This equipment is a type specification Purlin roll forming machine. Feeding uncoiler is used to keep the steel coil standing and uncoiling to ensure stable operation. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. We will test each machine until it can produce products that meet the standards according to the customer's drawings. The video shows punching holes in the purlins. However, it can also be set via PLC not to punch holes. The equipment is equipped with an automatic changeover system. Only simple adjustments to the roller assembly are needed. And product specification switching can be completed through the PLC control system. Each cross-sectional shape supports the molding of two different product sizes. This machine produces products that are an important component of modern construction engineering. Ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial roofing projects, ensuring consistently professional results with every use. Steelma always give you proper solution.